Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. Guys, it's never a dull moment in crypto, that is for sure. There's something new happening literally every single day, even on a weekend. Unbelievable. But a new supporter of Ripple and XRP has just come out and supported another Amicus brief in the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit. That would make it around about 11 so far submitted in support of Ripple. So there is a lot coming forward in support of Ripple. We've got updates in relation to Elon Musk and Twitter as well. Literally my entire Twitter feed is all Elon Musk. So I'm going to go through everything with that. Instagram and Facebook now. Zuckerberg is integrating NFTs on the Solana network onto these platforms. So it's going to be interesting to see what's coming out there. We're going to go through everything. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Let's get straight into it. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. We are just getting started. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. So give it a good old thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto. So please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. Excuse me. Let's go to the community tab, because this is the new Amicus brief, which has just been submitted today. And the company is Cryptillion. Very interesting name, by the way. Payment Systems, an online digital wallet service for retail customers and commercial retail businesses using XRP, asks to file an Amicus brief supporting Ripple's opposition to the SEC's motion for summary judgment. Yet another Amicus brief submitted. That has been, I think, 4 in the last couple of days. It's total like 11 at the moment. And I did watch Jeremy Hogan's latest video from yesterday, going through all of the Amicus briefs as well. And there's literally not one one company or institution coming out in support of the SEC as yet. So there's a lot in support of Ripple, and it just goes to show how big this case actually is for the entire crypto industry, you know, for the United States in particular. So, and Jeremy Hogan did mention the fact that that the human element now from Johnny Deaton's Amicus brief, which was submitted, I believe, a couple of days ago, gives a human element, more of a retail investor's element to this case, which again is, I think, is very, you know, good from a retail investor's perspective as well, because a lot of these companies, you know, they're companies or institutions or whatever it may be. So now that Johnny Deaton has submitted that 75,000 supporters Amicus brief towards the judge, it's going to be very interesting to see what Torres and Netburn actually decide to do with this case. It's going to be interesting. So November 15th is when we should have an indication of what's going to happen. And moving on, a salary is a drug they give you to forget your dreams. Yes, that is full credit to Kevin O'Leary. I thought it was an incredible tweet. And yes, I did credit that right there. And I'll pin the comments right there. Pin the comment. There you go, Mr. Wonderful. Thank you for that tweet. Full credit to you, sir. And it's true. It is. People get reliant on it. And you should not be reliant on just one, you know, salary. It's not good. And I can honestly say that from personal experience. You cannot rely on one salary. You need to go out and, you know, build your dreams and ambitions. Guys, go and get that stuff. Hurry up. Move. Morning, fellow bulls. Yes, there's the altcoins up in my portfolio. We had Solo, T-Fuel, UFO, Kin, Alliance Block. There is not much happening out there at the moment. It's pretty mid-day for news anyway, because of the Fed raising interest rates up there in the United States. And obviously, guys, this was interesting. But I did mention here, the name of the game in crypto, obviously, is to be early right here. Get ready. Big things are coming in this space. What's the first coin you got in early? Comment below. Literally, these are the ones I got in early. All right, Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and XYO were the ones I got in very early. All right, and I've been holding these ever since. And I'm just curious. Let's go to the community tab right here. XRP, Binance announced starting tomorrow. They will do Quant on their platform. They will list Quant. That's going to be incredible as well. or is that supposed to be XLN? I'm not sure. 6 years ain't early. It's early. We're still early. Chill out. Adrian, appreciate the comment though. XRP, very nice. Solana, WeMix and Reserve Rights. The mask, let's go. XLM, XRP, everybody's still sleeping. Avalanche, I agree. Doge, Dobo, I don't know what that one is there. Let's go here. XRP and Holochain, nice. XLM, XRP, XDC, very nice. ETL Electronium, I hold that and I'm very bullish on that. Let's go down here. Quant, we have Bitgert, Bryce. I'm in since last December. Okay, that's cool. XRP and XRP, a lot of XRP holders which are early. We're still early. I know a lot of there's so many like negative comments on that, but we're still early, all right? We're very early in this space. Just let that one sink in. Now, let's go to Coinspot, ladies and gentlemen. This is where I buy my cryptos in Australia. Please feel free to use the referral link below. You will get $10 in Bitcoin if you do that, but please do your own research and be careful. All the prices you see here are in Australian dollars. Everything else is set to USD. And again, I do that to cater for everybody around the world, especially my Aussie fans. So please be careful with this stuff. Do your own research. Now, I'm going to quickly go through my favorite coins. Bitcoin sitting at $32,000 today, up 0.4%. You have Ethereum at 2,507, XRP's at 74 cents, Doge is at 21 cents, down 3.48%. That would be probably because a lot of traders were, buying all this FOMO, trading it, and they've sold off their profits, all right? I know that for a fact. And I'm still up on my Dogecoin because I bought it at 3 to 4 cents, all right? And we've got Cardano at 64 cents today. Solana's at $51. I'm interested to see if anything will happen with this now that the Solana NFTs will be minted on Facebook and Instagram. Who knows? Polygon Matic, $1.55. Shiba Inu is down 1.20%. I have started a 3 commas grid trading bot today with Shiba Inu. So I'm curious to see how that goes. And I did post up how I set this up in my Patreon page. Linked below, ladies and gentlemen. Join up if you wish. Let's go down here. Link is up 2.20% to $12 today. XLM at 17 cents. You got ALGO at 59 cents. New Protocols at $4.80. Quant is at $261. It did not hit my buy target of $250. Really annoying. VeChain is at 3 cents. Lunar Classics are down 0.52%. We have Hedera at 9 cents today. We've got Sandbox Theta and Mana $1.36, $2. And Mana's $1.04. We have Axie Infinity at $14, holding quite steady at that rate. And again, I honestly believe we'll come back up to $20. And Moon, once obviously play to earn games come back. Anyway, I was buying that at $80. I keep saying that. IOTA's at 41 cents. You got the Graph at 15 cents. Moving down, you've got Casper up nearly 2% today to 6 cents as well. And of course, XDC up 0.79% for just under 5 cents. Reef, undervalued gem, up nearly 3% today, which is nice. Still undervalued in my opinion. Not financial advice. XYO sitting under a cent as well. And Alliance Block, let's have a look at that. Up to 10 cents today. Now, let's go to Crypto Bubbles. And before I do, ladies and gentlemen, please feel free to join the Wall Street Bull University. This is where I put up all my buys, my sells, my trades, what I'm interested in, my 3 commas trading bot strategies, what I'm doing there. A whole range of stuff to do with business, everything to do with I'm doing in investing. I love it. It's a very, very bullish community. Please feel free to join up. It is linked below. And of course, let's go to Crypto Bubbles. Now, on the day, biggest gainer. I'm going to refresh this now. We've got Arweave right there, up 62% on the day. That is ridiculous. Unbelievable. On the week, 54%, and on the month, 74%. That is really nice as well. I'm not invested in Arweave. Just saying. Litecoin, 13% on the day, 10% on the week, and 16% on the month. Now, interestingly enough, I found something on TradingView which gives you a very good indication on which coins will actually be likely to moon. And Litecoin today, I checked this indicator, was one of them. So I will put up that when I just videotape it, obviously. But guys, it was pretty cool. Litecoin came up as one that is moving, obviously going to go a lot higher. What else we got here? The Graph up today as well, 15%, 14% on the week. I do hold the Graph. I think it's an incredible project. Web3 is going to be big, and the Graph will be there as well. We also have Matic. Matic's up 10% on the day, 2.6% on the week, 20% on the month. All right. Now, it obviously was trading at nearly $2.80 USD. This is in USD and currently at 96 cents. Now, let's move on to the news. We've got Ripple Stasis right here. And so I've got stupid pop-up on my computer. But Ripple Stasis integrates biggest Euro stablecoin on the XRP ledger. It's another stablecoin being built on the XRP ledger. And Australia's just went live, I think, on the 1st of November from Novati Group. May have gone live on the XRP ledger or Stellar blockchain. I'm not too sure. I have to check that. The largest Euro-backed stablecoin in the crypto ecosystem is now available on the Ripple's XRP ledger. According to Stasis right here, the integration on the XRP-L, which began in February, was completed yesterday. Euros right here. So obviously Euro is the leading Euro stablecoin and ranks among the top 10 stablecoins worldwide with tens of thousands of users. Along with the XRPL Foundation and community, Ripple provided Stasis with the technical support to make integration possible. Just another reason why I'm incredibly bullish on Ripple. And just goes to show that governments and institutions will be using the XRPL as well because they have the technology. They are ready for this stuff. They are ready for the future. Governments and banks are not ready. So they're going to be working with people like Ripple, Quant, Sinfin, Stellar Lumens, Algorand, IOTA, all of these projects. They are already ready and willing to work with people. That's why I'm so bullish on the banking coins. Utility is going to be king. I don't care what anyone says. Now, Instagram to allow, another pop-up on my computer, it's driving me nuts. Instagram to allow creators to mint and sell NFTs through the platform. So social media platform Instagram will soon allow creators to mint and sell non-fungible tokens through the platform to both buyers to both on and off Instagram using an end-to-end toolkit. Company owner Meta Platforms, formerly Facebook, right here. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens right with this. So again, I don't know. Does anyone use Instagram? I don't hardly even use Facebook, to be quite honest with you. Let me know in the comments below what you do with Facebook. I mean, I only use it for family, really, like aunties and uncles overseas. But anyway, moving on. This is interesting as well. The West will transition to decentralized financial systems right here. Nayib Bukele, El Salvador's president, argued with why Fed-driven currency devaluation will drive people to a decentralized, uncensorable economic model. So Bukele, the Bitcoin published president of El Salvador, has predicted that central banking model of today's Western economies will eventually give way to a more trustworthy decentralized system if they allow it. In an interview with Tucker Carlson that aired on Tuesday, Bukele criticized both the Federal Reserve and the media's reaction to his country's Bitcoin adoption. The concept of savings has been destroyed, he said. It doesn't make any sense to save money anymore. If you saved $50,000 in the 80s, then you'd have been robbed of 90% of your money by now. That's absolute facts. Absolute facts. You're losing now. Inflation's skyrocketing up to the moon. So you're losing that every single year in holding money in the bank. Mind you, that banks just pee me off anyway because they pay you absolutely nothing to hold money in the bank anyway. So why would you? Crypto's the future. This is what's happening. And DeFi as well is going to be making a big comeback. Now, Elon Musk, there is a new sheriff in town. All guns blazing right here. It has been almost a week since Elon completed his Twitter takeover, but the company already sees drastic changes. The billionaire and entrepreneur vowed to eliminate the social platform's fake account issues and optimize by giving power to the people. However, Elon Musk's management of Twitter is full of controversy right here. As Bitcoin is reported, the magnate fired the company's entire board of directors at its top brass with cause. The decision is poised to trigger further issues for Twitter. Right now, Musk's the sole decision maker at the company, a status quo that is allegedly temporal right here. According to self-appointed chief tweet, the magnate is appealing to his popularity on the platform, exercising a management style comparable to politicians. He could do whatever the F he likes. I mean, straight up, the guy spent $44 billion to buy it. He doesn't need to answer to anybody. Good on him, man. He's doing well, and I'm sick of people criticizing him on Twitter, by the way, for that $8 membership fee. Big deal. People spend $8 on a cafe latte here in Australia anyway. One espresso anyway is like $4, so what's the big deal? Anyway, stop complaining. I think it's great. I think it's awesome. It's going to wipe out a lot of bots and scammers as well because they're not going to pay. That's nice. Now, moving on, Changpeng Zhao, CZ, considering buying banks. Zhao wants his crypto exchange to become a bridge between traditional finance and crypto, according to the Bloomberg report. Look at this. So the founder and CEO of Binance, CZ, is looking to potentially buying banks as a way to bridge the gap between the worlds of traditional finance and crypto. According to an interview Zhao did with Bloomberg on the Web Summit conference, Zhao did not name any specific targets and also said he's open to either minority investments or a full acquisition. There are people who hold certain types of local licenses, traditional banking, payment services providers, even banks. We're looking at those things. CZ has been quoted saying, that's incredible. So honestly, I think all of crypto exchanges will eventually become like banks. That's coming. Now, FTX Billionaire founder Sam Bankman-Fried, obviously BitBoy's got something going on there, man. That's just full on what's happening with him and Sam Bankman-Fried. But it has emerged that the business empire of billionaire Sam Bankman-Fried officially comprises two giant entities, including FTX Crypto Exchange and his trading firm Alameda Research. This is after the status of Alameda Research as a significant player in its respective field trading firm was confirmed through the $14.6 billion in assets it holds. The link between the two companies is highlighted by the nature of Alameda Research balance sheet, which contains mainly the FTT token issued by FTX. So I don't know what Sam Bankman-Fried's up to, but whatever, we'll keep an eye on that. Now, these are the top 15 cryptocurrencies in October. Let's have a look. We've got Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, Cardano, PancakeSwap, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Quant. We've got BNB, Solana. We have Matic, Gala, Polkadot, Fala, I don't know what that is, GMX, and Chainlink. And of course, Quant has been doing very well in the last month as well. So keep that one in mind. And Australians embrace crypto amid record inflation numbers, and I could have seen this coming from a mile away, but Australia, an increased number of domestic investors have shifted their focus towards digital currencies right here. Australia's inflation hit 7.3%, which is the highest rate in 32 years. Considering the soaring prices of real estate and gas, analysts expect this figure to surge even more before the year's end, and people are going to be wanting to preserve their wealth, and they're going to be putting that into crypto. For sure. And 3 crypto ETFs have been delisted in Australia as crypto winter continues. So this is the Ethereum Access ETF, Cosmos Purpose Bitcoin Access ETF, the Cosmos Global Digital Miners Access ETF filed a request to revoke their quotations on the CBOE Australia. According to letters disclosed on November 2nd, the decision to revoke the quotes reflects the crypto winter's impact on demand for crypto assets. Anyway, it's not good to see that happening, but it's happened. Let's go to cryptometer.io. We've got money flowing into XRP, Uni, Matic, BNB. We've got Ethereum name service, Shiba Inu. I'm still holding that. You've got the Graph. We've got PaxG. What else we've got here? Bitcoin, of course. We have Beth. And that is pretty much it for that, where the money's been flowing. Now, let's go to Twitter to see what's happening here. I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz, guys. Go follow me on Twitter as well. And I love posting on here every single day. Of course, now again, when I hit 100,000 subscribers, I am doing a giveaway of this bull ring right here. It is solid silver. It's a monster. I have worn it before on my channel. Now let's move on. CZ, a brief history of Bitcoin. 2014, it crashed to $200. 2018, it crashed to $3,000. 2022, it crashed to $20,000. Facts. 2026... it's crashed to no idea as yet. Crypto is a high risk and highly volatile. Learn to manage your risks. And that is absolute facts. Do not go putting your life savings into crypto assets. Do not do that. I've never done that. I've seen people that have. It's not good. Do not do it. We've got 83.4 million XRP valued at $37.8 million transferred from Bitso to an unknown wallet. A whale is buying. Whales are going to be buying. This is interesting as well. Prices for most popular pre-owned Rolex, Patek Philippe, and Audemars Piguet watches will fall further as the market has been flooded with supply. Interesting. Let me know if you are into watches. I am personally as well. There you go. That's my bad boy right there. But it's been a long time to get one of these, by the way. It's a very, very long time. I've waited 8 years. But let me know in the comments below what you think about the watch market. Some incredible YouTube as well. Nico Leonard, I believe his name is. He's a legend. I love his channel. So massive shout out. Just in the Philippines, Union Bank launches Bitcoin and Ethereum trading. That's really nice to see that. In a span of 90 minutes, Fed Chair Jerome Powell shaved $56 billion from the fortunes of the world's richest people. Just like that. Incredible. Now, obviously, Instagram and Facebook add support for Solana NFTs. I wonder if that's going to be Ethereum. Slumdoge Millionaire. Been in crypto for over a year and a half now. Been a little beaten and bruised. Learned some valuable lessons, but I always said I was in it for the good, the bad, and the ugly. And I believe I've seen all sides of this space. Crypto can change lives. Just be wise. I agree, and the only thing I disagree with him on is the fact that when Dogecoin absolutely mooned before the SNL skit, he could have taken some serious profits, and I would have done that because he had literally $3 million in the portfolio, at least half. I mean, that's what I would have done. But anyway, each to their own. Elon Musk to end Twitter's work from home policy per Bloomberg. He's changing it up, man. He's full blown with that one, as well as launching the SpaceX Heavy rocket as well the other day. Man doesn't stop. He's a machine. Cryptillion Payment Systems, an online digital wallet, has submitted the Amicus brief right here. Another one. And yes, that is Kevin O'Leary's quote right there. Again, I will give him full credit. XRP, that is all. And Elon Musk to eliminate 50% of all the Twitter jobs to save on costs. That is a lot. And today, the Reserve Bank of India is launching a central bank digital currency pilot to explore the wholesale use case for the digital rupee. This is all happening, guys, on Ripple and XRP, of course. And we have an interview here with Coinbase Vice President on the Amicus brief. Let's have a quick listen to this and we'll end up on this.
Tell us about that.
So we've not only filed we filed an Amicus brief, a Friends of the Court brief in supporting the Ripple litigation. We've also done it with the Grayscale ETP. And just broadly speaking, these are issues of, fair notice, meaning regulators need to give the market fair notice of expected conduct before they take an enforcement action. I think it's been very clear over the past 5 years. The rules have been unclear. It's not clear how to what the SEC is asking for generally. In July, we actually filed a petition for rulemaking, which is very unusual for an entity to ask a regulator to be regulated. And the reason we did that is because there's a lot of uncertainty on where different regulators have authority. And what's missing today is a digital asset securities market. There is no way to tokenize equity or debt, trade it, or issue it. There's no rule set that exists today under the SEC's purview to pursue that. And there's a lot of ambiguity on whether or not the SEC should have authority over commodities. And that's what the DCCPA is trying to help draw the line, and what the CFTC's authority over commodity is and what the SEC's authority over securities is. And so the reason we file these amicus briefs is because all the policy as of to date is being done in the courts, right? So the decisions the courts are going to make are going to help draw these lines. And so until we have affirmative notice and comment rulemaking at agencies and legislation passed to mandate that, our only recourse is to have this discussion, debate in the courts. And that's why we filed those amicus briefs in support of Ripple and Grayscale.
Very, very nice right there. And yes, that is Kevin O'Leary's tweet. There you go. All right, so full credit. Now, let's go to CoinMarketCap quickly, ladies and gentlemen, and we'll go right here. We've got $1 trillion still holding quite nicely. $103 billion in 24 hours, which is nice. 38% BTC, 18% Ethereum, 21,600 cryptocurrencies. And again, my money's going into these coins right here, ladies and gentlemen, the banking coins. For sure, it's a no-brainer. It's not financial advice, please. But Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, AVAX, Link, XLM, Algorand, Quant, Hedera, IOTA, Casper, XDC, and Alliance Block. This is what I enjoy and I love documenting every day, because these projects right here are going to change to the new financial system. So there you have it. That is it. Please make sure you follow me on all social media down below. Join the Patreon, because I'm doing some pretty interesting stuff with 3 Commas at the moment, and I am sharing what I'm doing in there on 3 Commas in the Patreon. Join it below. We'll speak to you all in the comments and the community tab. Stay safe. We'll speak to you soon. Peace out. Bye.